composite functions given f of x is equals to 2x squared plus 8x, g of x is equals to x minus 2. Find number 1, f composed of g of x, and number 2, f composed of f of x. Solution for number 1, that is f composed of g of x. Okay. So first, kukunin muna natin yung nasa loob na g composed of g of x. So our g composed of g of x, that is equals to g of x. So g lang tayo sa g. Kukunin muna natin yung value ng g of x is equals to x minus 2. Dahil dalawang g, dadalawa tayo ng g. So x minus 2. Yung g daw ay composed of g. So ibig sabihin, itong isang value ng g of x ang isa-substitute natin doon sa x ng isang g of x. So equals, yung x ay papalitan natin, sa substitute tayo ng x minus 2. So magiging x minus 2, ito na yung x, minus 2 equals, so tanggalin natin itong parentheses, so magiging x minus 2 minus 2, then combine like terms, that is x minus 4. So this is the g of x. Ngayon, kunin natin yung f composed of g of x. So parang magiging ganito na lang siya. F composed of g or f of g of x. Ayan. So equals, or yung ating f, kukunin natin yung f of x. Kunin muna natin kasi nasa labas yung f of x. Yung f of x natin ay 2x squared plus 8x. And then yung ating g of x is equals to x minus 4. So ibig sabihin, yung g of x ang ating isa-substitute doon sa value ng x ni f. So ito, ngayon, ang isa-substitute natin sa mga x ni f of x. So this is equals to 2 times, palitan natin yung x ng x minus 4, then square, plus 8 times, palitan natin yung x ng x minus 4, then equals 2. So x minus 4 square, so x minus 4 square is equals to x minus 4 times x minus 4. So gagamit tayo ng FOIL method, then x times x is x square, x times negative 4 is negative 4x, negative 4 times x is negative 4x, and negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. Then combine like terms. So x square, parehong negative, kaya mag-a-add tayo and copy the sign. So dahil yan ay negative, negative, 4 plus 4 is 8, copy the variable, then plus 16. So ito ang ilalagay natin dito. So we have x square minus 8x plus 16 plus 8 times x is 8x, and positive 8 times negative 4 is negative 32. Then equals, si 2 didistribute natin sa loob ng parentheses. So i-multiply natin. 2 times x square is 2x square. 2 times negative 8x is negative 16x. And 2 times negative 16 is positive 32 plus 8x minus 32 equals, combine like terms. So copy ang 2x square, si negative 16x plus 8x. Magkaibang sign, unlike sign, subtract tayo and copy the sign of the biggest number. So dito, mas mataas si 16, kaya kukopyahin natin yung sign ni 16. Then magma-minus tayo, 16 minus 8 is 8, and copy the variable. 32 minus 32 is 0. So therefore, this is the answer.